Welcome to Pavinars. My name is Andrew Bram, and today we're going to talk about Sustainable Highway Construction Guidebook. So the purpose of this research is that there's little existing sustainability guidance for highway construction. So this document created some key features. They integrated sustainability as a construction criterion, and they developed 2 levels, 26 categories, and 77 sustainable construction practices. So for example, one level is project delivery, and the categories underneath project delivery were delivery method, financing, procurement, and contracting. And then the second level was the project level, and you can see various categories here, including scheduling, estimating, administration. You can read through the rest of those, but it does include infrastructure such as bridges, pavements, materials. It includes transportation systems such as traffic control and safety. And it includes social aspects such as community, noise, lighting, all of these type of things on the project level. They also tried to explore some of the impacts of these sustainability concepts, and that included air quality, energy consumption, habitat, water quality, hydraulic cycle, another air quality, mobility, access, community, and non-renewable resources. So some of the major findings in each of the construction categories, of which there were 26, they provided an overview, related categories, motivations, practices, and resources. And for each of the sustainable construction practices, of which there were 77, they included an SCP, a Sustainable Construction Practice Rating, an impact to effect ratio, so a higher ratio equal to higher return, a summary, and references. And the SCP rating was developed from 22 individuals, and it included effort, human welfare, environmental benefit, and cost savings. And people were asked to rank these on a scale of 0 to 5, where 5 is the highest impact. So for example, here you can see the including a life cycle cost in the best value procurement. You can see they have effort, human welfare, environmental benefit, and cost savings, which is 3.1, 1.4, 1.9, and 3.4 respectively. And then the overall impact effect ratio is 2. And for the work zone glare reduction, they have again the effort, the human welfare, the environmental benefit, and the cost savings, which are 2.2, 3.3, 1.4, and 1.0. Those are the SCP ratings, and again, that's the average from 22 individuals. And again, we see an impact effort ratio of 2. Now, if you're interested in learning more, all of those ideas that we discussed have an analysis associated with them. So this is a very nice resource to really dig into the different aspects of sustainability in construction. But take a look at NCHRP Report 916. You can either Google that title or click on the link in the description below.